Welcome friends to my channel Trading Sensation. I hope your trading journey is going good. So friends, today in this particular video I'll be sharing my thoughts on Nifty and Bank Nifty, and I'll share the levels which will prove to be very significant in the coming days. Clear? And yes, I have also put my Telegram channel link in the description box below. You can join it, and it doesn't require any payment, it doesn't require anything. You just need to click that and automatically it will take you to my channel where I keep on posting about my videos and any kind of informational or educational stuffs. Clear? So let's proceed. So this is Nifty spot chart. Let me just zoom in a bit. Now this is a daily chart. So on this daily chart, I had mentioned the levels a lot earlier, that is 15,470 on the downside, and on the higher side 16,220. These two levels are the immediate, the support and resistance that will prove to be very, very important. And in the past also we have seen that when Nifty was hovering around this this 15,850 900 level, I told that watch out for this level of 15,470, and on this particular day, that is 18 June 21, see the low of this particular candle, it made 15,450. So it was just the level that I mentioned, that is 15,470. Clear? Now again, presently I would like to share two levels, that is 15,600 and 15,915. These two will be the immediate levels on either side which needs to be watched very carefully. Clear? Now this is daily chart, right? Let me just go to any hourly time frame. Let me just go to 1 hour time frame, and let me just adjust the chart a bit. Now in this particular chart you can see that this has formed somewhat like a box pattern, or you can say a rectangular pattern, right? On the downside the level is 15,600. This level is 15,600. Let me just bring it down little lower, this 15,600. Yes, so this level is 15,600. You see, so many times starting from this 3rd June 21, so many times it hovered around this particular level. It touched and bounced back, touched and bounced back, touched and bounced back, so many times. And in the recent past also you see how this level proved to be such an important one, right? Now on the higher side again you see 15,915, this particular level 15,915 on this day, that is 15 June 21, 15,915 was touched for the first time, and then again it was close to that particular level on 22nd June, and followed by that it's 25th June, then here it's 6th July, and then 7th July. Clear? So this level, that is 15,915 and 15,600, till either of these two levels are breached, one should play a swing kind of trade in intraday time frame. And once these levels get breached, say for example if 15,915 gets breached, then your immediate target would be for 16,220. And if on the downside 15,600 gets breached, then 15,470 should be the level to watch out. Clear? So this is the perception or my thought process on Nifty and how you should execute your trades going forward. Now let me just go to Bank Nifty. Again, in Bank Nifty I'll share spot chart of Bank Nifty. Let me just go to monthly time frame at first, because I want to show you a secular trend line, very, very important, though I have shared that in my earlier video as well. In the meantime, again I am requesting you once again, please do join my Telegram channel, which I have shared the link in the description box. It doesn't require anything. You just need to click that and directly it will take it to my Telegram channel, where I go on posting important stuffs, be it educational or any kind of information. Clear? So here you see since December 2007, you can see that I have started or initiated this secular trend line, and I have joined it with the recent candles. In between you can see around 2019 May, June, and again in 20 Jan, February, you can see that this secular trend line was respected to a greater extent. Correct? And in the recent past, in the recent few months, you see how this level is getting respect from these candles. Once in the month of February it got breached on the higher side, but then again closed exactly at this point. Let me just zoom in a bit so that it becomes visually clear to you. You see in this month of February 21, you see it went higher, but then again closed exactly at this particular red line. Following month, that is March 21, it went higher. I mean opened on the higher side and then closed on the downside. Clear? Again, following 4 months, you see it is hovering around this particular trend line. So from this monthly chart and this secular trend line, you can understand that how important this trend line can be. Now let us just break down and get to some kind of lower time frame. I am just opening daily time frame at first, then I'll go to some other time frame. So here you see which I was showing you in the month of February. You see that it opened, it breached this particular trend line, it went higher, but then again it came down and closed at this particular level. Right now let me just zoom out a bit so that it becomes easier for you to understand. I would like to draw another trend line. Let me just draw it in front of you so that you can understand it better. Here you see that it somewhat looks like a symmetrical triangle, not a bookish symmetrical triangle, but somewhat similar to a symmetrical triangle. Then again, this is you can say this is a convergent point or converging point of multiple trend lines. One is coming from the higher side. This is downward sloping trend line resembled with this blue colored line, and the other one is the secular trend line, which I have drawn in red color. Right? So automatically this particular level, that is 15,850 or 15,830, let me just zoom in a bit so that it becomes clear to you. So this 15,850 level is very, very important, my friend. This 15,850, this particular level. So once this 15,850 gets breached, then the next level on the higher side should be around 36,500, and then again it should be around this level of 37,500. Now let me just go to hourly time frame. Now in hourly time frame, it looks much more clear and easier for you to understand. Here you see that this secular trend line provided so much resistance for so many days, actually for multiple months in the recent past. Right? And exactly it is hovering around this particular level and facing resistance from this downward sloping line as well. So one needs to wait for this breakout from where? Breakout from either of these two sides. It can be this downward sloping blue line or this upward sloping blue line. So on the higher side, this 15,850, the levels that I mentioned, and on the downside, this particular level one needs to watch. Let me just zoom out a bit so that you can understand. First, one needs to watch out for this particular level, that is 35,000. And below that one should watch out for this 34,500 or 600, you can say, to be precise, and again below that it should be 34,000. Clear? And on the higher side, I told you that if 35,850 gets breached, then what should be the target? Let us get back to the daily chart once again so that you can remember the levels. This particular level you should watch out for if it gives a breakout on the higher side, this 36,500, and above that it should be this 37,500. Clear? So that's all in Bank Nifty that I wanted to share, my friend. I hope this particular video will throw some kind of light related to Nifty and Bank Nifty. Please keep watching and sharing my videos. Don't forget to put a like and comment your valuable perception or question, whatever, it in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.